Hi, I'm Dr. Anton Gates, and welcome to this week's lecture on Business Model Canvas, or BMC, for Southern New Hampshire University's Business 400 Driving Business Opportunities course. This powerful tool is essential for entrepreneurs and business professionals alike. By the end of this session, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the business model canvas, its 9 building blocks, and how to apply it to your business ideas. The BMC helps visualize, design, and innovate business models in a clear and structured way. Now, the business model canvas was developed by Alexander Osvalder and Eve Pinier. This is a strategic management tool that simplifies the complex process of business model innovation down to a one-page template. The BMC is widely used due to its effectiveness and ease of use, making it ideal for startups, entrepreneurs, established companies, as well as consultants. Let's dive into the 9 building blocks of the BMC. Each represents a crucial aspect of a business. First, the customer segment. These are the different groups or people or organizations you aim to reach and serve. For example, a business might target both individual consumers as well as corporate customers. Understanding your customer segments allows you to tailor your strategies effectively. Next is the value proposition. This block represents the bundle of products and services that create value for a specific customer segment. It's about identifying the unique benefits your business offers, like solving a particular problem or meeting a specific need. For instance, Apple's sleek design and user friendly interface are key value propositions. Channels outline how you communicate with and reach your customer segment to deliver your value proposition. These can include online platforms, retail stores, as well as direct sales teams. Effective channels are crucial for delivering a positive customer experience. Customer relationships describe the type of relationships you establish with specific customer segments. These can range from personal assistance to automated services. Building strong relationships help in customer retention as well as acquiring new customers. Revenue streams identify how your business earns money from each customer segment. Examples include subscription models like Netflix, for example, one time sales, or advertising revenues. Selecting the right revenue stream ensures financial viability of your product. Key resources are the most important assets required to make your business model work. These can be physical, it could be intellectual, human, or even financial. For example, a tech company's key resources might include its software and perhaps its patents as well as its talented engineers. Key activities are the most important activities your company must take to operate successfully. These activities are essential to delivering your value proposition and maintaining customer relationships. For a manufacturing company, key activities would include production or quality control. Key partnerships identify the network of suppliers and partners that make your business model possible. Partnerships can help reduce risks, acquire resources, and optimize operations. A good example is Starbucks partnerships with its coffee bean suppliers, for example. And then finally, the cost structures outlines the major costs involved in operating your business. These include fixed costs like rent and variable costs like materials. Managing your cost structure is vital for maintaining profitability. Now, let's talk about applying the business model to your business ideas. Start with the value proposition. Identify the unique value you provide. For instance, if you're creating a new fitness app, your value proposition might be offering personalized workout plans, for example. Next, Define the customer segment. Are you targeting fitness enthusiasts, beginners, or professionals? Understanding this helps tailor your marketing strategies. Determine your channels and customer relationships. How will you reach your customers? Will it be through an app store, social media, or partnerships with gyms? And what type of relationships will you maintain? Will it be a service or a self serve application, or will you offer personalized coaching? Identifying your revenue streams and cost structures. Will you charge a subscription fee or offer an in app purchase option or rely on advertising revenues? Understanding your major costs like app development and marketing is crucial for maintaining expenses and managing expenses effectively. Outline your key resources, activities, and partnerships. Do you need a team of developers, for example? Access to fitness data or partnerships with nutritionists? These elements ensure you have the necessary support to operate effectively. The BMC is a dynamic tool. It's important to regularly visit it and update it to stay aligned with market changes and evolving customer needs. Avoid making overly complex plans within your BMC structure. Each segment should be detailed and it should be realistic. Use the BMC as a living document that evolves with your business. To wrap up, the business model canvas is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of developing and visualizing business models. It consists of 9 interconnected building blocks that provide a comprehensive view of your business. I encourage you to explore the additional resources available to deepen your understanding. As you reflect on today's lecture, consider these questions. What are the 9 building blocks in a BMC, and how are they connected to your projects? And how are they connected to each other? How can the BMC help you map out your business idea into a viable business model? And when thinking about your business model, which elements should you consider first? Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing how you apply the BMC to your business ideas and to your project.